2 days. This was 2 days of filming worth of hair.
Bruh.
Filming worth of hair. It was like 2 days, man. Hello babes, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Tina. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss another video. Or you do. I mean, if you do, then I don't really know what to say about that then, you know what I'm saying? And maybe. So hopefully you enjoy this look. It's my very first hair tutorial on this channel. I did a poll on Instagram and a lot of you wanted to see how I achieved my nice little kinky curly look, my kinky curly Bantu knot out. So hopefully you guys enjoy. I'll give you a quick warning. The footage quality does change throughout the video because my camera died in the midst of day one filming. It took 2 days for my hair to dry, y'all. 2 days. This was 2 days of filming worth of hair.
All right, let's get started. So basically I am moisturizing my hair. It's actually a mixture. I did a mixture of the Carol's Daughter's hair milk and then water at the same dang time. Partly because my Carol's Daughter's hair milk was running out. But still, I don't mind it. It was leaving a nice little texture going on there, but I was just using it for the detangling portion of my hair. As you can see, I'm using a wide tooth comb. Y'all, I am so tender-headed, it is not even funny. So honestly, you can see me not really pulling or not really putting any tension on the hair because I know that's not good anyway. But y'all, I'm so tender-headed, it's not even funny. So here I'm just going ahead and parting the hair so that way I can make my flat twist / Bantu knot. I'm using a mixture of extra virgin coconut oil, non-GMO of course, and olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and then topping that off with the shea butter and then eco styler. So I'm not braiding, I'm just flat twisting my hair, and then at the very end just swooping that up into a nice little Bantu knot. Now it's really important to make sure that you're not putting extra tension on your scalp, so try to keep the Bantu knot very loose if possible. And then you rinse, wash, and repeat over and over again. Over and over again. Especially if you have hair like mine, which is really thick. This is going to take a while. My ends tend to get pretty dry, so as I'm going along the twist, oftentimes I'm throwing some extra oil and extra shea butter on the ends of my hair before putting on a gel. Ooh, y'all, this took so long. But you can see me here. I'm finally to the back of the hair after repeating the process. Once again, same thing, putting on the oils, making sure my hair is hydrated, detangling a bit, and then twisting it down. And here's the result 2 days later after carefully taking out my twists with a little bit of olive oil. And I used some bobby pins to, oh, look at him. I used some bobby pins to put up my hair, and voila. Here you go.
So there you have it, my flat twist Bantu knot / flat twist, my flat twist on the side look. Like I said, if you have any tips and tricks, be nice, comment them down below in the comment box. Let me know. I need to know a few tips and tricks about tender-headedness because, to be honest, when I was here doing this twist, and these are not even braids, like you can see that they're actually just flat twists that I put in my hair. It was actually, I don't want to say painful, it was actually pretty uncomfortable. I am very tender-headed, so a lot of times in the video you probably saw me holding it ever so gently and brushing my hair ever so gently because I am tender-headed. So if you have any tips and tricks about tender-headedness, also about how to keep my ends moisturized, they tend to dry out pretty quickly, help me, help me, help me, and let me know if there's any products you want me to try. So hopefully you enjoyed, and don't forget to tune in every single Friday for reminders on how. Bruh. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to tune in every single Friday for reminders all day, every day that you slay every which way. And I'll see you in the next video.